Hi, today we are gonna see about phrasal verb of run. The phrase run is often used as a phrasal verb in English. Let's see some common meanings and examples of how run can be used as a phrasal verb. Run down, to lose power or stop working, typically used for batteries or machines. Example: my phone battery ran down while I was on the call. Run over, to exceed a certain limit or amount. Example: the cost of the project ran over budget by several $1,000s. Run on, to continue operating or functioning. Example: the generator ran on diesel fuel for several days during the power outage. Run for, to campaign as a candidate for a political position. Example: she decided to run for mayor in the upcoming election. Run around, to be very busy doing various tasks or errands. Example: I've been running around all day trying to get everything done. Run against, to compete with someone in an election or contest. Example: he's running against 2 other candidates for the position. Run by, to present or discuss something with someone for their opinion or approval. Example: before finalizing the design, I'll run it by the project manager for feedback. Run into, to encounter difficulties or problems. Example: we ran into some issues with the software update. Run off with, to steal or elope with someone, especially in a romantic context. Example: she ran off with her high school sweetheart and got married in Las Vegas. Run through, to explain or rehearse something quickly. Example: let me run through the instructions one more time before we start. Run up, to increase quickly, especially costs or debts. Example: he ran up a huge bar tab last night. Run away, to escape from a situation or place. Example: the prisoner managed to run away from the guards. Run across, to encounter or find something unexpectedly. Example: I ran across an interesting article while browsing the internet. Run after, to chase or pursue someone or something. Example: the dog ran after the squirrel in the park. Run along, to leave or go away, especially used when dismissing someone. Example: it's time for you to run along now, we have work to do. Okay. See you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.